2. My first real memory in life is Sean Connery. Thunderball, the James Bond film, was playing on that big screen in front of my mom and I. We were at the mid-60s posh, save us from downtown, leave us in the suburbs, Lenox Square. Not Mall, mind you, Square. Malls had not been invented yet. I will speak of Lenox many times. I have an ongoing and annoying habit of returning to the familiar places. The scene of the crime, my life and reaction to it has had me riding the pendulum. I swing from one extreme to the other, and when the ride allows me some slight control, I usually return to some familiar place, person, behavior, or a combination of the three that offers comfort or familiarity. My mind and memory, however, do not always serve me so well. The tender moments of a son and mother getting some together time at a suburban movie theater, and the larger-than-life adventures of a suave British international spy are warm fuzzies which could never be replaced, nor duplicated at Lenox or anywhere else. I naturally forget the argument she had with my father that led to this act of defiance instead of polishing the furniture with pledge. My other many returns there generally were for very different reasons, with much less heartwarming results. None related to furniture polish. My dentist was there. He rebuilt my smile there after I broke bicycle restriction, got hit by a car, and lost 2 of my brand new permanent teeth. I had many shoplifting competitions there with my junior high school hoodlum buddies, way before prevention devices and real gangs. After getting the crap beaten out of me while skipping school in Chastain Park for being a 15-year-old drunk, dumb smartass, I ended up there, in a stupor, covered in blood, for about 4 hours before I knew it. No one helped me at all. I fell in love with Valerie Knight that day for taking care of me on the public transportation bus ride home. Call me Val, I miss you. See, it's the pendulum again.